Hi there, my name is Jeff Whitmire, and I got to tell you about this Magic Stone porcelain kitchen and bath stone. This thing is amazing. We have for years struggled to keep our stove clean. This is a porcelain part on top of our stove, but this thing is excellent for like bathrooms where you can clean rings out of your bathtub or your toilet or anything like that. This is not a pumice stone. This is recyclable glass, so it does not scratch. What's really amazing about it is that on top of that is it's chemical free, it's eco-friendly. It doesn't hold any bacteria or mold, but I want you to watch how quick. This is why we're filming. I just did this. I want you to see how fast this goes. Look how dirty that is right there. That's filthy dirty. Watch this. I mean, it's coming right off. That is so quick and easy. We've never been able to clean our kitchen this fast. And so I'm going to clean that up right here. Clean up over here in the corners a little bit. Get right back down in this little corner here. Again, this is the Magic Stone porcelain kitchen and bath stone. Wipe that off. I want you to see this. Look how clean that came. It's not scratched. I mean, that is amazing. Again, get your Magic Stone kitchen and bath stone from Compac Industries. You'll love it. This is an amazing product. I am so impressed. Get yours today.